Hello, so 2 buses and 1 tuk-tuk later. I'm in Udawalawa, which is a city at Udawalawa National Park. And I'm staying here in a private room in a guest house. Why is this so dark? Yeah, this guest house. And this room is actually cheaper than every hostel room I've yet had. Yeah, it's just $5 this night. Yeah, sorry, my lens is quite dirty. And yeah, quite nice to have a room for myself for once. This is the bathroom. Yeah, I can't do safari anymore because there are no people I could do it with. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow morning. And yeah, so I'm just gonna use this day to relax in my own bed. A king size or a large bed just for myself. I think it's also a nice place to turn some videos for once, because I don't know when else I could do that. Yeah, but I'm so exhausted. So I haven't been filming that much the last days because, you know, yesterday was my birthday, but it didn't end up that well because I had a migraine in the evening, so massive headaches. Yeah. But I'm feeling quite better now, and right now I'm here, but I'm quite hungry, so I think I'm gonna grab some food now. Yeah. I've just had the best nap of my life. So it's not too dark to film any videos, but I hope I can do that tomorrow. Yeah, but I really need this sleep because I had some headache from yesterday. Yeah. But now I'm feeling great.
From a whisper, collared shirt down by my feet, stood on crowded bathroom row, voices filled the rooms upstairs. Our Ford was warm before we drove. Breakfast fresh on the stove.
Yeah, good job we moved.
Yeah. Quite a power, eh?
Hello, I've arrived in Hello, so I've arrived in Ella right now, and look at this amazing view. Yeah, Ella's in the highlands and there are all these tea plantages. Yeah. And yeah, on the way here in the bus the view was also amazing. And I'm staying here in the Hipsters Hideout Lounge, and if you remember I've showed you the same hostel and Candy, so they've got a hostel there too. And yeah, I've wanted to eat there and they didn't have food at the moment, so if you remember, but there it was a little cooler and bigger, and they had yoga classes, but yeah, I can't complain about this here. And I'm completely alone in the hostel right now, but okay. So I think I'm just gonna go up into the town and just gonna look around, because what I've seen so far was so beautiful. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do now. But I'm so tired from all the traveling. Yeah, but the safari today was very cool. It was very nice to see those elephants in the wild. Yeah, but it's raining all day. A little, not too much, but a little. But yeah, that's also good because it's not that hot as always. And that might be better for for this area for hiking and stuff, so that's okay, I think. Never buy shoes or suitcases or anything in Sri Lanka. Unfortunately, the hostel also isn't very central, so I had to hike up Hollywood Mountain. Quite exhausting, but kind of a good exercise. And look at these beautiful tea plantages.
She walked out with the floral blouse. Back then, everyone was near. Woke up from an old alarm. Bones could barely roll from bed. Stood on an empty bathroom.
En daarom op de hoek, waar kom jij vandaan?
Walking around with one eye closed. Last of 6 eyes focusing on me. Lukewarm coffee